Imagine owning a piece of the future for less than $100 a share. Today, I'm revealing 3 companies on the verge of explosive growth, each poised to disrupt their industries. We're talking about a pioneer in urban air mobility, a leader in quantum computing, and a fintech giant rewriting the rules for retail investors. These aren't just stock picks, they're potential game changers with massive upside. Stick around for the details you can't afford to miss. Hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more high-impact investing insights. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. First up, ACHR Aviation, ticker ACHR, is building the future of urban transportation with electric air taxis. Imagine a world where the daily commute is no longer defined by gridlock and frustration, but by seamless, quiet flights above the city. ACHR is at the forefront of this revolution, aiming to make urban air mobility a reality for millions. Picture this, skipping traffic by hailing an all-electric eVTOL aircraft from your phone and flying over city gridlock. No more sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic or missing important meetings because of delays. With just a few taps, you could be soaring above the chaos, arriving at your destination in a fraction of the time. This is not just a futuristic fantasy, it's a vision ACHR is actively bringing to life. ACHR's Midnight aircraft is already in FAA testing, and the urban air mobility market could top $1 trillion by 2040. The Midnight is designed for rapid, repeated flights with a focus on safety, efficiency, and passenger comfort. As cities grow and congestion worsens, the demand for innovative transportation solutions like this will only increase, creating a massive opportunity for early leaders. ACHR isn't just making aircraft. They're creating a full ride-sharing ecosystem, controlling manufacturing, maintenance, and service for maximum value. By owning the entire value chain, ACHR can ensure quality, reliability, and a seamless customer experience. This approach mirrors the strategies of some of the most successful tech companies, allowing ACHR to capture more of the market and build a trusted brand from day one. Their partnerships are game-changing. United Airlines has a $1 billion order, and Stellantis is helping scale production. These aren't just symbolic deals. They represent real confidence from industry giants who see ACHR as a key player in the next era of transportation. United's commitment signals demand from the commercial aviation sector, while Stellantis brings world-class manufacturing expertise to the table. These alliances de-risk manufacturing and validate ACHR's business model. By leveraging the strengths of established partners, ACHR can accelerate its path to market, reduce costs, and scale more efficiently. This collaborative approach is crucial in an industry where execution and reliability are everything. FAA certification is on track for 2025, putting ACHR ahead in a race where being first means everything. Achieving certification is a major milestone, opening the door to commercial operations and giving ACHR a critical head start over competitors. The company's proactive engagement with regulators demonstrates its commitment to safety and compliance. Yes, there are risks, delays, and competition, but ACHR's financial backing and progress set them apart. The company has raised significant capital, giving it the runway to weather challenges and invest in growth. While the path to commercialization is complex, ACHR's momentum and resources make it a standout in the space. The stock trades at levels that don't reflect its potential, despite billion-dollar orders and strategic partners. For investors, this disconnect could represent a rare opportunity to get in early on a transformative company before the market fully recognizes its value. ACHR's solution tackles real-world problems: traffic congestion, lost productivity, and environmental impact. By shifting commuters from cars to electric aircraft, ACHR could help reduce emissions, improve air quality, and give people back hours of their lives each week. The environmental benefits alone could drive widespread adoption, especially as cities push for greener transportation options. Their leadership team brings aerospace and tech expertise, focused on rapid, safe commercialization. With veterans from top aviation and technology companies, ACHR's team understands both the engineering challenges and the business realities of launching a new mode of transportation. Their vision is matched by a track record of execution. Think of the early days of Tesla. ACHR could be just as disruptive. Just as Tesla redefined what was possible for electric vehicles, ACHR is poised to do the same for urban air mobility. Early investors in Tesla saw massive returns as the company scaled. ACHR could offer a similar trajectory as it brings its vision to life. Their service aims to make air taxis as affordable as premium ride shares, opening the market to millions. By targeting price points that are accessible to a broad audience, ACHR isn't just building a luxury product, it's creating a new standard for urban mobility. Imagine a future where flying across town is as routine as calling an Uber. Use cases range from daily commutes to airport transfers, and ACHR is positioned to be the go-to brand. Whether you're a business traveler trying to make a flight, a family heading to a special event, or a commuter looking to reclaim your time, ACHR's service is designed to fit seamlessly into modern life. The company's strong funding and partnerships give it a solid runway to commercialization. With billions in potential orders and the backing of major industry players, ACHR has the resources and credibility to execute on its ambitious plans. They're also working with cities to build vertiports, planning the infrastructure for a new era of travel. These vertiports will be the backbone of urban air mobility, enabling fast, convenient boarding and integration with existing transportation networks. ACHR's proactive approach to infrastructure sets it apart from competitors who are focused solely on the aircraft. In short, ACHR is a leader in a trillion-dollar industry, with validated tech, major orders, and a clear path to market. The company's progress to date is impressive, but the real story is the scale of the opportunity ahead. As urban populations grow and demand for efficient transportation skyrockets, ACHR is positioned to capture a significant share of this emerging market. For under $100, the risk-reward is compelling. Few companies offer this combination of disruptive potential, industry validation, and attractive entry price. For investors willing to look beyond short-term volatility, ACHR represents a unique chance to participate in the birth of a new industry. This is a long-term play. Buy, hold, and watch as they build a new industry. The journey won't be without bumps, but the payoff for patience could be extraordinary. As ACHR scales, early believers could see their investment grow alongside the company's success. If they execute, the upside could be massive. The combination of technological innovation, market demand, and strategic partnerships creates a powerful recipe for growth. ACHR's story is just beginning, and the next chapters could be even more exciting. Keep a close eye on ACHR. It's a ticket to the future of transportation. As cities evolve and the need for smarter mobility solutions grows, ACHR is positioned to lead the charge. Don't miss the chance to be part of this transformation. The opportunity here is rare, and the groundwork is already being laid. With every new partnership, infrastructure project, and regulatory milestone, ACHR moves closer to making urban air mobility a daily reality. Don't let this one fly under your radar. The next wave of transportation innovation is taking off, and ACHR is in the pilot seat. ACHR is not just a stock, it's a vision for the future. It's about reimagining how we move, work, and live in the world's busiest cities. The company's mission is bold, but the potential rewards are even bigger. The next decade could belong to companies like this. As technology reshapes our cities and our lives, those who invest in innovation today could be the big winners tomorrow. ACHR deserves a spot on your watch list. The future of transportation is being built right now, and ACHR Aviation is leading the way. Next, let's talk about Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT, a company that's not just riding the wave of the quantum revolution, but actively shaping its direction. In a world where technology is evolving at breakneck speed, QUBT stands out as a pioneer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing. Quantum computers are fundamentally different from classical computers. Instead of using bits, which can be either 0 or 1, they use qubits, units that can exist in multiple states at once. This unique property allows quantum computers to process information in ways that are simply impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers today, opening doors to solving problems that were once thought unsolvable. What sets QCI apart is their strategic focus. Rather than pouring resources into building expensive experimental hardware from the ground up, they're leveraging their expertise to develop advanced software and practical solutions. Their approach is about making quantum-inspired computing accessible right now, not years down the line. At the heart of their offering is the Catalyst platform. This innovative software empowers businesses to tackle complex optimization challenges, think logistics, supply chain management, and financial modeling, by harnessing quantum techniques on today's classical computers. It's a bridge between the present and the quantum future, allowing companies to gain a competitive edge without waiting for quantum hardware to mature. By focusing on software that delivers real-world results, QCI is able to generate revenue now. This means they're not just burning cash while waiting for the quantum dream to materialize, they're already creating value for clients and shareholders. Their solutions are making waves across multiple industries. In finance, they help optimize portfolios and manage risk. In logistics, they streamline routes and reduce costs. In energy, they improve grid efficiency. And in healthcare, they're enabling faster, more accurate data analysis. The potential value unlocked by these innovations is measured in billions of dollars. What's truly remarkable is that QCI's algorithms are designed to mimic the power of quantum computing, but they run on the hardware that businesses already have. This democratizes access to quantum-inspired solutions, allowing organizations of all sizes to benefit and enabling rapid scaling across industries. In recent years, QCI has strategically expanded its portfolio through acquisitions, moving into quantum hardware and cybersecurity. This diversification strengthens their position, giving them a broader toolkit to address the evolving needs of the quantum era. Their technology and business model are being validated by contracts with both government agencies and commercial enterprises. These partnerships not only provide revenue but also serve as endorsements of QCI's innovative approach. The company's leadership team is a blend of world-class scientists and seasoned business professionals. This combination is crucial, as it allows QCI to navigate the technical challenges of quantum computing while also executing a smart, sustainable business strategy. Of course, quantum computing is still a speculative field, and QUBT is a small-cap stock. But with high risk comes the potential for extraordinary reward. For those willing to embrace the volatility, the upside could be transformative. The quantum market is projected to explode over the next decade, with applications spanning everything from artificial intelligence to drug discovery. QCI's software-first strategy positions them perfectly to capture a significant share of this growth, as businesses race to adopt quantum solutions. One of the most urgent opportunities is in cybersecurity. As quantum computers become more powerful, they threaten to break current encryption standards. QCI's focus on quantum-safe cybersecurity solutions could make them a key player in protecting sensitive data worldwide. Investing in QUBT is more than just buying a tech stock, it's a bet on the inevitability of the quantum revolution. It's about believing that quantum technology will reshape industries and create entirely new markets. The risks are real, competition is fierce, and the technology is still developing. But the potential rewards are just as real, offering a chance to be part of a once-in-a-generation technological leap. For long-term investors with vision and patience, QUBT offers pure exposure to one of the most exciting and disruptive frontiers in technology today. If you can look past the short-term volatility, you'll see a company that's solving massive, real-world problems with elegant, forward-thinking solutions. This isn't just another tech stock, it's a stake in the next paradigm shift in computing, a chance to participate in the dawn of a new technological era. If you're looking to own a piece of the future, QUBT deserves a serious look. It's an opportunity to get in early on a company that could help define the next chapter of innovation. The quantum era is coming fast, and QCI is building the bridge that will connect today's world to tomorrow's possibilities. Don't let this frontier opportunity pass you by. QUBT could be the game-changer your portfolio needs. As quantum computing moves from theory to reality, QUBT stands ready to lead. For investors seeking growth at the edge of innovation, this is a company to watch. Finally, let's take a closer look at Robinhood Markets, ticker symbol HOOD, the company that truly revolutionized the way everyday people invest. Robinhood didn't just enter the market, it completely changed the game, making investing accessible to millions who previously felt left out of the financial system. By putting the power of the stock market in the palm of your hand, Robinhood has become synonymous with the new era of retail investing. Robinhood's commission-free trading model sent shockwaves through the industry, forcing legacy brokers like Charles Schwab and 𝗗𝗟𝗏 to drop their own commissions. This move didn't just lower costs, it democratized stock trading for a whole new generation, breaking down barriers that had kept so many on the sidelines. Suddenly anyone with a smartphone could buy and sell stocks, options, and even crypto, all without paying a fee. Today, Robinhood boasts over 23 million funded accounts and more than $100 billion in assets under custody. That's a staggering level of growth for a company that only launched in 2013. These numbers aren't just impressive, they signal a fundamental shift in how people interact with the markets. Robinhood has become a financial powerhouse, with a user base that's young, engaged, and eager to learn about investing. What's even more interesting is Robinhood's diverse revenue model. The company earns money through payment for order flow, which is a small fee for market makers for routing trades, but that's just the start. Robinhood also generates revenue from premium subscriptions like Robinhood Gold, earns interest on uninvested cash, and profits from lending out stocks held in customer accounts. This multi-pronged approach gives Robinhood a resilient business model that isn't tied to just one source of income. As Robinhood's user base grows and becomes more financially savvy, the company's revenue potential expands. More users mean more trades, more subscriptions, and more assets to generate interest and lending income. The network effect is powerful here. Each new user adds value to the platform, making it more attractive for others to join. Robinhood has faced its share of challenges, including volatile markets and regulatory scrutiny. Yet the company has weathered market downturns and continues to innovate, expanding its suite of financial products. From fractional shares to recurring investments, Robinhood is constantly rolling out new features to keep users engaged and help them build wealth over time. The company is rapidly evolving into a full-service financial platform. Robinhood now offers crypto trading, retirement accounts with a company match, and a brand new credit card that invests your rewards automatically. These additions are designed to keep users within the Robinhood ecosystem, making it a one-stop shop for all things finance. This super app strategy is all about increasing customer stickiness and lifetime value. By offering a broad range of services, from investing and saving to spending and borrowing, Robinhood aims to be the financial hub for its users. The more services a customer uses, the less likely they are to leave, and the more valuable they become to the company. Financially, Robinhood is on much stronger footing than in its early days. The company has achieved consistent adjusted EBITDA profitability and maintains a robust balance sheet, giving it the flexibility to invest in growth and weather economic storms. This financial discipline is a sign of a maturing business that's learning from its past and building for the future. Robinhood isn't just focused on the US market anymore. The company is expanding internationally, with a recent launch in the UK and plans to enter other European markets. This global push opens up a massive new audience and positions Robinhood to capture the next wave of retail investors worldwide. As Robinhood's platform grows, the network effects become even stronger. More users mean more liquidity, better pricing, and a more vibrant community. This creates a competitive moat that's hard for new entrants to replicate, giving Robinhood a durable advantage in the fintech space. While the stock price is still well below its IPO highs, the underlying business is far more mature, diversified, and profitable than it was at the time of its public debut. The company has learned from its early missteps and is now focused on sustainable, long-term growth. When you compare Robinhood's valuation to other fintech companies, it looks especially attractive. The company's scale, growth levers, and improving profitability make it a compelling option for investors looking for exposure to the future of finance. The management team has shown resilience and adaptability, learning from past mistakes and doubling down on innovation. Their focus is now on sustainable growth, responsible risk management, and building trust with both users and regulators. The investment thesis for Robinhood is straightforward. You're buying a dominant fintech brand with multiple growth vectors, all at a reasonable price. Few companies have managed to disrupt an industry as thoroughly as Robinhood has. Of course, risks remain. Regulation is always a concern in the financial sector, and competition from both traditional banks and new fintech startups is fierce. Market cycles can also impact trading activity and revenue, but Robinhood has proven its resilience time and again, adapting to challenges and emerging stronger. Robinhood is no longer just the meme stock app. It's building a comprehensive financial services company that serves a wide range of needs, from investing and saving to spending and retirement planning. For under $100 a share, you get exposure to a company at the forefront of retail investing and fintech innovation. Robinhood is shaping the future of how people interact with their money. Millions of people are using Robinhood to build wealth, learn about the markets, and take control of their financial futures. The platform is empowering a new generation to participate in the financial system like never before. The path to becoming a true financial super app is clear, and the growth potential ahead is enormous. Robinhood is well positioned to capture more wallet share as it continues to innovate and expand its offerings. Don't let outdated headlines or past controversies cloud your judgment. Hood is a growth stock with real staying power, and its story is still being written. The next wave of fintech innovation could very well be led by Robinhood, as it continues to push boundaries and redefine what's possible in personal finance. If you want a stake in the ongoing democratization of finance, Hood deserves a spot on your watch list. It's a company with a mission to make finance more inclusive, transparent, and accessible for all. The company's mission and momentum are undeniable. Robinhood is not just riding the fintech wave, it's helping to create it, inspiring millions to take charge of their financial lives. Robinhood is redefining what it means to invest, making the process simpler, more intuitive, and more accessible than ever before. This is a stock for the next generation of investors, those who want to be empowered, informed, and in control of their financial destinies. For anyone building a growth-focused portfolio, Hood could be a cornerstone holding, offering both innovation and scale. Don't overlook this fintech disruptor. Robinhood is not just a company, it's a movement, and its best days may still be ahead. There you have it. 3 innovative companies under $100, each with massive growth potential. ACHR Aviation is building the future of transportation, Quantum Computing Inc. is pioneering the next tech revolution, and Robinhood is democratizing finance. If you're ready to level up your investing, check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. Want exclusive stock tips and real-time trade alerts? Join the Stocks Galore Patreon community for in-depth analysis and more. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 stocks are you most bullish on for the next 5 years, and why? Drop your pick in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable investing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of tomorrow's leaders. The future belongs to those who invest in it today. Make your move. Your future self will thank you.